will see an experiment to see how colors are combined. You take a spinning disc like this and take a chart or a white paper and color like this, different colors, and put a hole inside it and put it inside. So now you can see different colors, blue, light blue, violet. Now we will spin and see what happens. Let's start. Spin it very fast. Now it sees as a white color. Are you seeing a white color? So it is actually a trick. This is called as an optical illusion. So now if it slows down, so you can see the other colors. You can try this at home by drawing different patterns also. We'll see the other patterns now. We'll try with the other pattern. Now we'll see what happens. Now you can see a common color which is dominating color. Blue is dominating now, and then yellow is also. So now we'll see another pattern. Now we have black and white. Now we'll see what happens. You can see a circle now. Now you can see a circle. With white color also. Circle and white. Now we'll see another pattern. So now we'll try with this pattern. So here this is actually a color combination. Outside you have blue and then red. Blue and red are combined to form the outer ring. And center you get green and inside orange. Now we'll stop and see what are the colors. See blue and then red. Then here yellow and then blue. Then yellow and red, like this. These two are combined, so you get three different circles. We'll see one more time. See, now you can see the outer color is purple, inside is green. So three different colors, because outside you have only two colors, so you can learn color combinations also like this. You can draw in any color and see the color combination. You can try one more color, one more pattern, black and white pattern. See, now you can see extra stripes inside. Actually we have only this much. In between we are getting lines because it moves. This is also similar to fan. So this, if you rotate, right, you will get like a fan. So you can see this in the fan also. You will get lines in between. We'll rotate and check. So see, now you can see many lines in between. So it is similar to the fan. You can see the same pattern in the fan also. And in umbrella also. Umbrella, if you have a line like this, you can try this.
You can use similar patterns like this. But not only these things. You can use any patterns. Thank you for this video. Thanks for watching this video.